The LUMIX S1 series cameras offer a variety of photography features to help capture your shot with ease. In this video, I'm going to be using the S1R Mark II to showcase some of those features, which has a higher resolution 44.3 megapixel sensor compared to the other S1 series cameras. These cameras even give creative control over your final look of your image in camera with the variety of photo styles available. If you want a more cinematic look straight out of camera, try the new photo style S1IIE A2. It gives you a balanced image with gentle contrast, a neutral color tone, and a film-like finish. Great for storytelling without needing heavy color grading. To access photo styles, go in the menu, go to Image Quality option, and select Photo Style, then choose S1IIE A2. Next, let's look at photo file formats, specifically the new HEIF format. HEIF stands for High Efficiency Image Format, and it delivers a high-quality image at smaller file sizes, thanks to more efficient compression. To enable it, go to Menu and choose Image Quality 1 and switch JPEG/HEIF and choose HEIF. Just keep in mind when using this newer format, some software and printers may not support it yet, so just make sure your workflow will support it. Burst mode is great for capturing fast-moving subjects like cars, wildlife, or kids in motion. In the pre-burst option, it starts capturing when you half-press the shutter and begins capturing when you press the shutter fully. To use pre-burst, change the dial mode to either the Burst 1 icon or Burst 2. To access the burst mode settings, go to the menu, choose Other 1, and choose Burst Shot Setting. There's a variety of speeds you can choose from in the menu, like low, medium, high, and high plus. We want pre-burst, so choose the SH Pre option, and you'll need to select the amount of seconds the camera will pre-record while half-pressing the shutter. Then just half-press the shutter button, and once the action you are trying to capture has happened, immediately press the shutter fully, and your images will be captured up to 1.5 seconds before you pressed the shutter. Let's move on to focus stacking. For this feature, the focus shifts back and forth from the initial focus position to take multiple images at different focus points, then merges those multiple images into one final ultra-sharp image. This is especially useful for doing macro photography. To use focus stacking, go up into the same menu, Other 1, and select Focus Stacking. Adjust the parameters to your preference, like steps, amount of images, and if you would like a shutter delay. Click Start, and it's highly recommended to take your images with the camera on a tripod and of subjects that don't move much, or it could result in undesired results. Then simply focus where you'd like the first image of the stack to start and fully press the shutter, then wait for the camera to merge the stacked images. Lastly, we have crop and hybrid zoom. Crop zoom essentially cuts out the center of the image to give a magnified, telescopic effect without reducing image quality. This works even with a prime lens. Hybrid zoom, however, combines optical zoom with crop zoom for even higher magnification, so it is not available with prime lenses. This is great for getting extra reach in your photos if you are limited by your lens's focal range. Also, both crop and hybrid zoom can be used in either photo or video modes. Go into the first photo menu and select crop zoom and turn it on. Then use the joystick, dials, or assigned function buttons to zoom in and out. Then click to confirm the crop. Hybrid zoom is located in the menu and then select On. Now when you zoom your lens, you will see the effect in real time as you zoom. It will also give you an equivalent focal length crop based on the focal length you zoom to on the lens. These are just some of the powerful photography features available to you on your LUMIX and will have you covered no matter what you throw at it in any scenario.